Well, good morning. This is the hotel room that I'm staying in. I just thought I'd show you how far all the buildings go. I mean, this is typical China. We're building after building after building after building, just goes out further and further and further. I'm at the Tuanzu Hotel. It's pronounced Tuan like with a T because they kind of lisp, but it's Quan. But I guess they told me that's the correct enunciation. So I'm going to kind of shoot down into the streets a little bit, back up so that you can see, but it's early. It's only about 9 o'clock. At about 11, there'll be thousands and thousands of people on the street. So Mr. Liu just picked us up, and we're going through his town right now, which is kind of different to see. And Stella's organized a good trip. Oh, here it is. Yeah, there we go. And I just thought that was so pretty that I took out my camera. And of course, just as I took out my camera, the two buses came up. Anyway, this is kind of a pretty place.
We're now on the second floor, which is, as you can see, another set of operations. This machine over here is punching the holes in the paper as it comes off. All finished and ready to go. We're now in the QC department where the bags that came from the second floor and the first floor are getting packaged and getting ready to get packed and shipped out. As you can see, this is a third floor, as I mentioned, and normally each floor has its own order and size bag depending upon what machine they use, because you can't run the same machine for different size bags. Here's a another section of the third floor. Again, doing QC work. And the girls are also QCing them as they go. They're getting ready to be shipped out. Here's another part of the factory. Again, more machinery and equipment. This is Tina. She works for us. Rolls of paper, more machinery, all computerized. We make all the David Yurman's paper product right from here, right from scratch.
Okay, I'm back in Shanghai. But look at this, you guys. I mean, there are so many people this weekend because of the holiday, a 60-year anniversary. And so I'm showing you just certain things in People's Square, and you can see all the red. But wait, look at the people and the traffic. It's crazy. And you can see the some of the skyline. The buildings everywhere, like I told you. There's one of the museums. Because it's the full moon tonight, and it's the lunar holiday, and we're going over here towards these amazing buildings. We're on the Bund, course, you're going to see an amazing view from our restaurant. Here we've got just all the people at nighttime and just an amazing time. So we're back on, and here we are looking at more of the floats. Each one is a Chinese province, Richard has informed us. I want you to see the pillars. The pillars are so huge. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Something very much to be proud of. You see the top of this with the mermaids